Farewell fight ni Manny Pacquiao posibleng ganapin sa Saudi Arabia sa darating na June or July. Ayon po yan mismo kay MP Promotions President Sean Gibbons. Heto po ang diga ni Sean Gibbons, mga amigos. Saudi Arabia would be a great place to end his career and he has always wanted to fight in the Middle East. I hope it works out. We are having discussions and Manny is talking to His Excellency Turki Al-Sheikh. I see this as the perfect springboard into doing something in June or July, if that's in Saudi Arabia, the United States, or England. Manny has one last year of fighting before he looks at returning to politics. So ayun nga daw po, mga amigos, bago magbalik politika si pambansang kamao Manny Pacquiao, may isang huling taon ng paikipaglaban si Manny Pacquiao. Wika ni Sean Gibbons, Manny is looking more at the likes of Gervonta Davis or Kell Brook. Manny and Gervonta Davis match up really well and that would be a fun night. It's a matter of being able to make the fight and that's the difficult part. Alam kong medyo mukhang imposible yung Tank Davis versus Manny Pacquiao, pero sa laki ng pera na willing ilabas ng kamahalang Turki Al-Sheikh, kung si Deontay Wilder na isang PBC fighter nadala nila sa Saudi Arabia, siguro kakayanan din nilang papuntahin si Gervonta Tank Davis sa kanilang bansa. Posibleng laban kay Pacquiao or kay Devin the Dream Haney. Kasi po sa napanood kong panayam kay kamahalang Turki Al-Sheikh, sinabi po niya doon na gusto niyang makita sa kanyang bansa lumaban itong si Gervonta Tank Davis at pati na rin si Devin the Dream Haney. So posibleng magkahiwalay na laban o posibleng sila mismo yung maglaban. Pero sakaling hindi po matuloy yung laban ni Pacquiao kay Gervonta Tank Davis, sinabi po ni Sean Gibbons na tinitingnan din po nila at balak muling bisitahin na maikipagsagupaan kay Floyd Mayweather Jr. at Conor McGregor. Malasahin ang baraha, patunayan mo sa akin ha, sino man ang mabunot na kalaban di ka tatakbo ha, sa bayan ko sa